Hey guys, it's Shiv and welcome back to Shiv's Kitchen. Today we're gonna make cold brew because it's hot. Also, this is a super easy video idea. I have tried making cold brew in the past before, but it was like pretty like bland and it just wasn't good. Also, it's been like cold a couple months and like I know everybody's like, oh, I can have iced coffee all the time, but like personally, I think it's because I have my coffee in the morning and I can't have like iced coffee in the morning. Like my throat is like closed and we need something warm to open it up. But now the weather is super nice and hot, so we need some cold brew and let's make some. Like, subscribe, and let's get on to the video. Oh y'all, on avait tous les ingrédients. So we have our coffee, which I'm using this Green Mountain coffee. It's Colombian Select with a net weight of 2.2 ounces. We have a jar and we have about a cup of water. I think it says hot on the lid, which is kind of funny because we're making cold brew. 2 tablespoons. Oh, that's
2 shots of vodka.
That is a lot. Okay. 1. Yeah. So we have our coffee and we have our water, which is like kind of cold, room temperature, and we're just going to give it a nice little, put some in, you know, shake it up a bit, get everything wet. Ooh, it's like soda. We're just gonna pour the rest of the water in. We're going to get our hot lid and put it on our cold brew. And we're gonna put it in our fridge. And there she lies in her final resting place. Oh, the fridge is closing. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, no. Oh. Okay. Oh. First and foremost, I just want to say that, yes, you are welcome that I finally changed my clothes and put on something appropriate. And the reason for that is that I am at some sort of a networking alumni event currently, and I have no clue what's going on. I don't know how to network. So I made the coffee on like Sunday. Today's Wednesday, and I'm finally having it. I didn't leave the cold brew in there for like 3 whole days. I think I put it in like 2:30 Sunday. Then I took it out at like Monday morning around 10. So it was there for like 18 hours maybe, and it was looking pretty dark. Yeah, I'm not a coffee connoisseur, so I don't know what else to say. I made some brown sugar syrup, which is just water and brown sugar, and I put some milk inside. It actually, like, y'all see this color? I put about like this much milk, and I was nervous because if coffee's like light and you put milk inside of it, it just gets super light and then it just tastes like water and like, you know. So color-wise, it's looking pretty good. Taste-wise, we're gonna see. Okay, I don't know what these, forget the networking event. Coffee. No turtles are dying on my watch. And I hope Visco girls just like zoop and zoop. Let me just try the coffee. I'm just rambling at this point. I didn't put ice. Some people like putting ice in their coffee, but then like, yeah, the ice melts and it gets watery. And like, I feel like I already make such weak coffee in the first place. Oh, this smells good. You know, I use this coffee all the time and it definitely doesn't taste like it does when I usually like make it like the hot way. It doesn't taste bad. It doesn't taste like light or anything. It has flavor and it's good. I'm just kind of processing, what is that flavor? I was gonna say it tastes like the mints that you get at Olive Garden, but I did just put on like peppermint chapstick. So I'm gonna say that the peppermint minty flavor is my chapstick and the coffee itself is chocolate. It's delicious. That is great. So Chamberlain coffee recipe is Shiv approved. And unfortunately, I should get back to this networking event. It may be important to my career. So make sure to big like, go down there and subscribe. Comment down below what recipe do you use to make cold brew? Do you like cold brew? What's your favorite coffee drink? Something coffee related. And I'll be back on the video. Until then, bye!